What up guys, Eric here with Mountain Movers coming at you from Middle Tennessee. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're doing some exterior painting. We're going to be putting a coat on this brick here. First we got to prime it, and then we're going to paint it, and then we're going to install some shutters. See, it's stained shutters. Let's check it out in case you guys are interested. From DC. Okay, so that's Design Craft Millwork. You'll see that. So that's where these were purchased from. Should be pretty self-explanatory. But we got to get this brick painted first. Check it out. I know y'all can see, but I can't see, so I'm trying to block the sun. You know what I mean? Anyway, y'all ain't got no problem seeing the sun. Ain't bothering y'all. So anyway, there it is. Got that glare on my phone, so I don't even know what y'all see, but y'all are seeing something. So it's definitely drastic change. Every time he dips that roller, I cringe a little bit because I know that this is not reversible at all. This will be like this for till this house gets torn down, likely. So anyway, there it is. I'll have some better before and afters. I'll try to edit them in somehow. This is just a prime coat. Not sure again exactly what the paint color is going to be, but we'll see that in a minute. I'll show you guys whenever we get that out. So there it is. All right guys, this is what we got so far. Again, this is just a prime. We got it 90% prime. Still got to do the top of this over here. Move this ladder over there. Man, that ladder's huge. It's not even extended. Alright guys, look who snuck in the truck today. Butthole right here. Design. Mission accomplished. He wanted to come and he darn sure did. That's dedication. Alright, anyway. We're back at it guys. Yeah, it's over here. Here's the color. Good dark gray. What'd you do, dude? Huh? What'd you do? Huh? Man. All right, guys. Y'all ready? I'm gonna cover the camera. Y'all can't see it yet. Surprise! Bam. Man, once you get some landscape in place, it's gonna look awesome. So we done had all kinds, 6, 7, 8 people stop along the process. Of course, more as we were starting to get finished and compliment it. So that's always a good feeling, man, when you know what you did makes a difference and looks good. So thank you all for following along with us. We'll have some more stuff coming up to you soon. Batman, come here. He's still in training, so he's wanting to go out on the road. Come on, Batman. All right, anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you for following along with us. Catch you on the next one.